name is Renoa. I'm a senior at Oak Hill High School. It was a chain of events. It started with woodworking class. LRTC came to my school. I really liked the programs that they offered. I saw that they had a new program that opened up and I decided to sign up for it and I got in. I really like working with my hands and I've always loved machinery. Being able to work with people that are on the same page as me, we can all help each other and do things together.
I really wanted to look for something to do for my future, and I thought this was a great opportunity to get started on early college classes. I definitely like a lot of the work that we've done on the lathes and a lot of the parts that we've made. I love my instructor Norm. I think he's a great guy, and I always look forward to going to that class. Definitely want to move into this when I get out of high school. I want to take this class and hopefully do this as a career.
I was a little bit nervous. It seemed kind of intimidating, but when you get here and get into the environment, it's definitely different. The professors help out a lot too. I'm a lot more confident now than once you learn it, but you kind of progress through it and it gets a lot easier as you go. It's definitely pretty fun. It's strange to learn more about what it is compared to just not knowing anything and just coming into the class. I'm going to go into a career in it. It's a good thing to know, and it's very high demand right now. So.